Learn every day for a better life. Hello, and welcome to today's video. In this video, we'll be discussing how to create a relaxing bedtime routine to help you get a better night's sleep. Getting a good night's sleep is essential for our physical and mental health, and having a relaxing bedtime routine can help us achieve just that. So, if you struggle with falling asleep at night, this video is for you. The first step in creating a relaxing bedtime routine is to set a regular sleep schedule. Our bodies love routine, and establishing a consistent bedtime and wake-up time can help regulate our body's internal clock. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night and try to stick to the same schedule every day, including weekends. Next, start winding down about an hour before bedtime. This means avoiding electronics such as phones, laptops, and TVs. The blue light emitted by electronic devices can suppress the production of melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating our sleep-wake cycle. Instead, consider reading a book, taking a warm bath, or listening to calming music to help you relax. Create a comfortable sleeping environment. Make sure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet. Invest in a comfortable mattress, pillows, and bedding. Consider using blackout curtains or a white noise machine to block out any external noise or light that may disrupt your sleep. Practice relaxation techniques before bed. This can include deep breathing exercises, meditation, or yoga. These practices can help you let go of any stress or worries from the day and calm your mind and body. Avoid consuming caffeine or alcohol close to bedtime. Both substances can disrupt your sleep and leave you feeling groggy in the morning. Instead, opt for a warm cup of decaffeinated tea or a glass of water. Write in a journal. Before you go to bed, take a few minutes to write in a journal. This can help you process any thoughts or emotions that may be keeping you up at night. Write down any worries or concerns you have, along with potential solutions or action steps. This can help you feel more in control and less anxious, making it easier to fall asleep. Use aromatherapy. Certain scents, such as lavender, chamomile, and vanilla, have been shown to promote relaxation and improve sleep. You can use essential oils, candles, or a diffuser to incorporate these scents into your bedtime routine. Just be sure to choose high-quality, all-natural products and use them safely and responsibly. Stretch or do gentle yoga. Before getting into bed, try doing some gentle stretching or yoga poses. This can help release tension in your muscles and calm your mind. Avoid any vigorous or stimulating exercises, as these can have the opposite effect and make it harder to fall asleep. Instead, focus on gentle movements and deep breathing to help you relax and unwind. Finally, create a consistent bedtime routine that works for you. This can include any of the practices we've discussed today or anything else that helps you relax and unwind. Consistency is key, so try to stick to your routine every night. In conclusion, creating a relaxing bedtime routine can significantly improve the quality of your sleep. By setting a regular sleep schedule, creating a comfortable sleeping environment and practicing relaxation techniques, you can help your mind and body prepare for a restful night's sleep. Remember, everyone's sleep needs are different, so experiment with different practices to find what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Subscribe to make your life better.